Hello everybody, this
Hey
is
guys.
Scott Shikawa for the 30-meter telescope project, and we are here at Keala Kehe High School where the STEM Academy is holding their year-end exhibition in Ho'ike. And here we have Justin Brown,
Hey, how's
who's
it
the
going?
director of the
Yeah.
STEM Academy.
Nice to meet
You know, the
you.
last time we talked to
Yeah.
Justin, we were at the Hawaii Robotics Competition at the University of Hawaii Manoa.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah, so it's the end of the school year.
Yeah.
And what's the significance of this event going on today?
Well, so this is our 7th annual STEM Ho'ike, and so since the very beginning of our program, we've always liked to have the opportunity for the community to come out. So we're in the setup stages right now, but over the next 3 hours, we're going to have about 400 or 500 people from the community check out the projects that the kids did during the last 3 months. So we have everything from our underwater robots. We just competed in this on Saturday, won the Big Island Championship. We'll be going to California next month. We have a research project with NOAA that we're doing right up there. Our Intel Science Fair project, all the winners, so all the different stuff that the kids have done in just the last 3 months. So we're displaying 27 projects right now. We're letting the community and teachers kind of check all that type of stuff out.
So the STEM Academy has been funded by 3 awards from the Think Fund, which is funded by the 30-meter telescope. How did the STEM Academy form? Were you the founder of it?
Yeah, so we'd had our after-school STEM program for 6 years, and we were able to do a lot of stuff with that. We loved having that. We competed in many of the same things, but we really wanted to bring something into the school day, and that requires a different set of resources because we're going to scale up our number of students. So typically we might have 7 or 8 kids each of the grade levels and have a team, 35 or so that's really competing. But now we're taking 30 kids per grade level. So that scale factor to get up to that 120 number, plus some kids who are working after school, that's a lot more money per kid.
Yep.
And so what we needed to do is we needed to build out a lab. And so we had a lot of technology we needed to add in, a lot of tools we needed to add in, and then obviously all the empowering activities that are going to be connected to the STEM Academy.
So obviously the Think Fund and other funding that comes in, this is definitely needed to pay for the the cost.
Yeah,
of
I
this
think
program.
I think what we're trying to do is set up a standard that is, again, the best education in the state of Hawaii at the school. That's the objective from the set out. And so if we look at the resources of some other schools, if we want to have the best education, we got to find a way to match those. And so the Think Fund, Hawaii Community Foundation, putting those things together, this type of program doesn't exist without that. So you need a set of committed adults who are stewarding it and passionate students that want to get invested in it. But then you have to have the resources that allows those two to synergize together without just the suffocating bounds that might be present if a school tried to do this without outside funding.
Now we talked about this before, with the changing job market, what does the program hope to accomplish for the students to get them into the science fields, to get them to the astronomy fields? Right?
So I think the best way to look at that, Jeff Bezos, who is founder of Amazon, has really been going out and talking about how they don't want to hire anyone anymore that needs a manager. Anything that they could task out and say these 7 things need to be done should just be automated. Right, that this new world is going to require all these technical skills with all these creatives who are doing innovative things, and that's a very different landscape and mindset of thinking than like, here's 78 facts about math that you should be able to apply to kind of get through this placement test. Maybe you need them later on, maybe you don't, but these kind of earlier gatekeepers that had kind of granular information are going to be continuously pushed out by the market. And so we have to kind of reshape what the school day looks like, because the students are going to go into a market that's going to expect a different type of thinking, a certain agile creativity and bias towards disruption, bias towards collaboration that naturally in the canonization of school is not present. So we're moving in the opposite direction. Instead of converging on answers, finding common starting points and like diverging out to all the places that can go, because that's really the only thing that's going to be left in the market. Everything else, they're just going to like shooey off.
Appreciate it, Justin.
Hey, awesome,
TMT is proud to be a co-sponsor of your
thank you,
program. So if you want to learn more about the TMT project, you can go to Mauna Kea and tmt.org, and we also have a Facebook page. And we're going to also have other segments talking with the students of the program later on. So until then, aloha.
Hey, aloha guys.